The check steering wheel lock system warning is one of the most common electrical issues in Kia vehicles, particularly affecting models with push-button start systems manufactured from 2010 onwards. This warning indicates a problem with the electronic steering column lock system, known as ESCL. This is an anti-theft security feature that automatically locks the steering wheel in position when your vehicle is turned off. The steering lock system involves multiple interconnected components working together to provide both security and proper vehicle operation. The system consists of four main components. The ESCL motor is the physical mechanism that locks and unlocks the steering wheel. The body control module, or BCM, acts as the brain controlling the entire system. The steering angle sensor monitors the wheel's position, while the smart key and immobilizer system provide security authentication to ensure only authorized users can operate the vehicle. Here you can see the typical location of the body control module in a Kia vehicle, usually found behind the dashboard area. Based on diagnostic data, ESCL motor failure accounts for 40% of all steering lock system warnings. This occurs when the internal motor burns out or the mechanical locking mechanism becomes bound. BCM communication errors represent 25% of cases, typically caused by software glitches or wiring harness problems that prevent proper communication between system components. Smart key issues account for 20% of problems, most commonly a weak or dead key fob battery. The remaining 10% involve steering angle sensor malfunctions or calibration issues. Ignoring this warning can lead to serious consequences. The most immediate risk is that your vehicle may not start if the steering lock system fails to disengage properly when you attempt to start the engine. Additionally, a malfunctioning steering lock system compromises your vehicle's anti-theft protection, potentially making it more vulnerable to unauthorized access or theft. The key takeaway is to address this warning promptly. Early intervention prevents more expensive repairs and ensures you won't be stranded with a vehicle that won't start. When the steering wheel lock system warning appears, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, replace your key fob battery with a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, ensure your steering wheel is centered and try cycling the ignition. Turn the car off completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart. If the warning persists, try the manual reset procedure. Turn ignition to ACC position. Turn the steering wheel left and right several times. Then press the brake pedal while pressing the start button. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Look for codes B1601, B1602, or B1603, which are common steering lock system codes. Professional solutions include ECU reprogramming, key relearning procedures, and hardware replacements. The ESCL module or body control module may need replacement in severe cases. To prevent future issues, keep your vehicle software updated and address warning signs promptly. Regular maintenance and early intervention can prevent more expensive repairs.